Hey, Dhrovo.
Oh, hey, Tahsin.
How are you?
Good, but not so well.
But why? Are you sick?
No, actually, it's something serious I was thinking about.
About what?
Bro, have you ever noticed we spend way too much time on our phones?
Yes, I got that what you are saying. Yeah, sometimes I check messages and end up watching videos for an hour.
Exactly. Yesterday, I wanted to study. Then, I saw one funny reel. And you know what? Suddenly, it was 2 a.m.
It's always happens with me. One more reels is the biggest lie.
But seriously, bro, it affects our sleep and mind.
Yeah, even when I try to study, my mind always says, check your notifications.
We have literally addicted to social media. It's like social media is killing our mind.
Yes, even the worst part is we know it but can't stop.
Hmm. Let's try something crazy. One whole day, no phone.
Are you crazy? Do you know what it is? It means digital suicide.
Come on, bro. Just one day. Just think about it. No phone, no stress, no scrolling.
But how will you pass the whole day?
Actually, I'm thinking about I will read this book that whole day.
The decision is quite well. Okay, I will try to do the same. And surely I will post it after in my Facebook account.
It's true. You will never quit this habit.
Yes, you know what? Social media always wins.